Let's talk about plastic serrated cake knife, salad lettuce knife, bread pie pastry cutter, server leveler, kitchen baking tool by Home. Adorable blue. Premium quality practical baking tool, useful home essential tool. Cutting lettuce with your plastic lettuce knife avoids oxidation and the resultant brown edges, child safe as no sharp edges. Colorful, fine workmanship, convenient and practical, high temperature 210, non-toxic, odorless, safe, beautiful and durable, easy to clean. It can be used to cut the cake, a variety of bread, pies, pastry and lettuce. I use this knife to chop lettuce as metal knives cause the lettuce to go brown quicker and it works well. Not much else to say, it's a plastic knife. It was very good value and it's perfect for cutting homemade cakes etc. It does not damage the coating on the cake tins. Excellent for kids party camping.